Do you know of a recently placed in service affordable housing, community development, or historic preservation property that deserves special recognition? Nominate it for a Novogradac Journal of Tax Credits Award. The 2026 award nomination season is now open. Properties can be nominated in one of three categories: Developments of Distinction for Affordable Housing, Quilickies of the Year for use of New Markets Tax Credit Financing, or Historic Rehabilitation. Each category has multiple subcategories with specific types of properties receiving awards. To make a nomination, go to Novogradac's awards page and click on the appropriate category. Honorees receive national recognition, including coverage in the Novogradac Journal of Tax Credits Awards issue in June and presentation at the appropriate 2026 Novogradac Conference, where winners will be honored on stage. Awardees also receive recognition on Novogradac's social media accounts and complimentary registration to the Novogradac event at which they're honored. Novogradac will also recognize outstanding achievement in community development with a Robert E. Ibanez Award. The awardee will be recognized for their vision, leadership, innovation, and impact in advancing the mission of community development. Ensure that recognition goes to the deserving affordable housing, community development, or historic rehabilitation property or community development champion by nominating them today. The nomination deadline is March 4th.